Hi, this is Rich from AED team, and I'm doing the monthly inspection on the Lifeline View AED from Defibtech. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch the indicator on the front of the device to make sure that we have a green flashing light. This means that the device has passed its most recent self-check. If it has passed that self-check, we know that the pads in the battery are functioning properly. This AED will alarm and make a beeping noise every few minutes to indicate that it has failed a self-check and needs attention. Typically, when it has failed, you'll see a red flashing light as well as that beeping sound. You know that either the battery or the pads have failed or there's been an internal error, and we can check that by turning the device on. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the date on the pads and the battery. So we'll flip the device over to the back, we'll remove the pads package, and printed in very small numbers on the pads package is the expiration date for the pads. We want to make sure that that is in date. There's a small button just above where the pads go in to release the battery. The battery pops right out, and inside the battery printed on it is the expiration date as well. So we want to make sure that that's in date too. We're going to put the battery back in, and we're going to put the pads in. When that battery goes in, it's going to automatically test that device and make sure it's good to go. So we're going to wait for that to happen.
Battery, okay. Powering off.
All right. After we do that, we're just going to also turn it on just to make sure that we can see everything and hear everything.
Call for help.
Perfect.
Follow instructions to apply powering off.
And we push and hold the button to power it down. The next item to check is going to be the response kit. The response kit needs to be physically attached to your device, whether you have an external carrying case or you go without a case like I do. You can clip the response kit directly to it so that it travels wherever the AED goes. When we open our response kit, we're going to be looking for a pocket mask, gauze pads, alcohol preps, a razor, a pair of gloves, and a pair of shears. Assuming all of our items are in a response kit, we're going to go through and we're going to mark the monthly inspection down on our inspection tag to confirm that it was completed. You can either attach your inspection tag directly to the device using a zip tie, or you can keep it in the case so that it gets inspected every month. This was the Defibtech Lifeline View AED monthly inspection.